Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across this channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I put out an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Please, in today's strategy, I will really want you to pay more attention. As in, I want you to pay more attention so that you'll be able to make profit via this strategy. But please, if this is your first time or you are new to the trading platform, the mobile strategy is mainly for scalping, be it on forex, synthetic indices, or crypto. Any mobile strategy you get are mainly for scalping. So don't hold trade for too long, most especially if you are new and you don't understand the concept of the technical analysis. But if you understand and you know the direction of trend and how to follow trend, then you can decide to hold till when you are satisfied. And again, if you really want to make profits via trading, that means trading and making consistent money, not trading today and then losing the money the following day, watch out for my millionaire strategy, whereby I talked about how you can use a software to track price movement and how you can make consistent profit, not just $10, $5, or $3. Talking of how you can make hundreds or up to thousands of dollars either weekly or monthly. So watch out for the millionaire strategy. And then if you need the software, my WhatsApp number is usually at the end of it's usually at the description section. So when you check the description below of my videos, you will see my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up and then we'll talk on how to get the software and then also teach you how to use it properly, because the idea of trading is to make money. And then if you are not making money, then it's high time you get the software and start making money ASAP. Now in today's strategy, I'm going to be showing you secrets on how you can trade this boom and crash properly. Some of you do take trade when the pressure for spikes are high. That means when you enter trade, if there should be any spike, the spike is capable of shutting down your account, especially if you are using a very low equity. Yes, many of you, these are the things that make you scared of trading, especially the boom and crash, because you are not too sure and you can't really tell if there's going to be a massive spike or not. So today, with this MACD strategy, I'm going to teach you how you can take trade, and when you take trade, you won't be scared of massive spike. Now, the condition is you need to start the trade immediately the conditions are met. Yes, immediately the conditions are met, that is when you need to start taking your entry, so that you don't get hit by those huge spikes. Then if you want to catch spike, you still need the same strategy to enter early for spike holding. In the main chart, we don't have any indicators there. We only have on window 1 and window 2. So the indicators in the window 1 and window 2, I will show you the settings shortly, and then I will tell you how you can use this strategy properly to make money on the boom and crash indices. You can apply this to both forex or any other synthetic indices, but I choose to use it or give you the strategy on boom and crash just because of those who are scared of taking trade based on spike. Now, to add these indicators on your chart, you come to this very icon here. You click on this icon. When you click on that icon, it will take you to where the indicators are. Now, like I said, we don't have in the main chart. So for your window 1, you need to add the RSI first. That means the relative strength index. And in this relative strength index, what we use it mainly for is to to take out levels to understand the premium zones and the discount zones. The premium zones are where we look for opportunity to sell, and the discount zones are where we look for opportunity to take our buy. Now when you click on it, the settings are: the period is 1, the apply to can be any type. The style, now the style is very important because the style must be your background color. If you are using a black background, then make sure that the background color of your style is black. And if you are using white like I am doing, make sure the white background color is also white. Now the levels, this is very important. The levels are level 90, level 80, level 10, and level 20. Immediately you do or you insert all these figures, you click on save, and you have it just the way you got it in the main chart. Then the next indicator you're going to add to window 1 is the MACD. Now this MACD in this chart is going to be on the default settings. We are going to be using this one to track the strength of the trend. We want to use it to understand or take the strength of the trend. So it's going to be on default settings. All what you're going to change here is the main. We don't need the bars, that means the histogram on the MACD, we don't need it. So you're going to change it to your background color. Then you leave the signal and use any color of your choice. Then you click on save. The third one you're going to add is the moving average with a period of 1, shift 0, method exponential, apply to previous data. Then you click on save as well. Use any color of your choice. When you are done, you click on the main chart again. You come to the main chart, that means the FX plus in the main chart. You click on it to add another relative strength index, and this time it's going to be our window 2. This one is going to be our window 2. So in this window 2, we are going to still use the same entries. That means the same entries for the previous RSI, that means relative strength index, is going to still maintain the same parameters. Once you add them, then you click on save. The next indicator you're going to add is the MACD. The first MACD has this parameter period, that means the first EMA is going to be 50, the slope should be 14, the MACD SMA should be 7. Now make sure that the main is usually your background color. Then you change the signal color to any color of your choice. Then the second one is going to be level of 52, slow EMA 16, then SMA 7, close. You change the main is still going to maintain your background color while you change the signal color. Then you click on save. And the third one is going to be 14. Make sure that the slow EMA is 50, SMA is 7, then the background color of the main will still be the same. So the style of the main will be your background color. Then the signal, you change the color, then you click on save. While the last MACD is going to be 16, 52, 7. The main should still be your background color. The signal, you use a separate or different color. Then lastly, you add your ADX, which is the average directional movement index. You add it. If you have been watching my previous video, you should know how we use it. But if you've not watched it, if you are still new to my channel, don't worry. When I'm explaining this, you understand how we use the MACD, the ADX rather. Then you click on save. So when you are done, your chart should look exactly like mine, exactly like this. Now on crash, how do we take buy? The brown and the black MACD, we use them when we want to take a sell setup. We use them when we want to do a sell setup, that we want to take a sell. So why the black, the blue and the green is for buy. Exactly. So at this point, when the blue and the green is touching the level 20 and level 10 respectively, it is indicating that there is pressure for, okay, now before I go, since we are on crash, we are going to change our ADX to positive. So we are going to change it to what? Positive. Let's use purple color, because I noticed we have a different color that is green here, so we are not going to use green. Let's click save. Let's go to our chart now. So since we are on crash and we want to check for the strength of the price. So what we are going to do is our ADX is going to be on the positive, and once the ADX is on positive and is above level 25, it indicates that there's pressure for up. So the green and blue MACD line, when they are touching level 10 and level 20, it is indicating a buy opportunity. So at this time, there's going to be lesser spike. If there's even spike, this spike is not going to be able to take you off balance. Exactly. It won't be able to take you off balance. That means it won't be able to close you at huge loss. But nevertheless, don't open multiple positions so that you don't finally endanger your account. The spike that is going to be coming at this time is not going to be that massive. So the only way you are going to lose your money is if you open too many positions, that once there's a little spike, it's going to take off your total equity. But if you open lesser position, then the spike will not take much of your equity. You can see where I enter. You see that blue arrow indicating the point I enter. You see the spike that came. You notice that it closed back, so indicating that it's pressure. And you see where my TP is. Price is going to go to that level, because you can see that the trend is just starting. The trend is just starting for an up move. At this point, price will be creating higher high on crash, while if it is on boom, it will be creating lower low. So you don't need to be scared. But mind you, you only scalp immediately you gain opportunity. Probably you are targeting $2 or $3. Once you meet the target, exceed the market immediately before the whole trend changes to the opposite direction. So as it is now, the trend is not changing soon, so I'm still going to be holding this trade, knowing too well that if there's any spike, it's going to what? Cover up immediately. Is that clear? So this strategy works very well, and it's going to reduce your risk of entering when there is huge spike. Exactly. Now it's going to reduce that risk, that you will not be scared of oh, if I entered now, maybe there's going to be a spike that's going to take up to $5 from my account. No, at this point in time, there won't be such massive spike, and if there's any spike, price is going to close it back to profit for you immediately. Is that clear? But the risk here is opening too many positions. Don't open too many positions, since you are not having enough equity. So manage it, and this opportunity will be coming many times as time. So when you keep scalping, there's possibility you make $4 to $5 in your maybe probably 2 or 3 entry. Exactly, guys. So that is that on the crash index. Now we've noticed that when you check the window 1, our moving average has crossed the MACD, and the MACD line is indicating a buy pressure. When you come to our window 2, the green and the blue line is also indicating a buy pressure. Then the full assurance is that our ADX is above level 25. Is that clear? So there's pressure for up, and it is indicating that we are going to be on profit. If there's going to be spike, the spike won't take us unaware. It is obvious that most of you, when you go to other YouTube channel, they don't tell you more about the trend. All they tell you is the strategy, and they don't even give you hints of areas where you should be careful. So when you are here in this channel, you get all this information. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you put on notification bell. Do me the favor by sharing the video as well, so that YouTube can push this to others, so that we build this community ASAP. Exactly. And then for those of you who have subscribed, I really appreciate you. I thank you very much. And then please keep sharing as well, so that we grow this community as fast as possible. So that is for crash. Let's move to boom indices now. On the boom indices, I think there's a trade on boom 500. Yeah, you can see now on boom indices, you see the point I entered first, there was a spike. Now it has been recovered on boom indices. Right now, let's change our ADX. Since we are on boom, let's change our ADX to red. So this is how we use the ADX. When we are on boom and we are scalping on default settings, we change it to see the pressure of price. So on boom indices, don't even panic if your boom is not above level 25, but what you notice is that your brown and black this time around, they will be at the level 10 and level 20, while your ADS will be above them. You see it telling you that they are pushing price towards your favor. On the MACD, it is the divergence. We are trading the divergence indirectly. That is when we are taking the opposite direction though. But at this time, you notice that the pressure is what is showing that there is pressure for up. When you see your ADS red move showing up, it doesn't mean buy. When the ADS is going above level 25, it is telling you there is pressure for sell. That is the negative ADX. So don't be scared when you see your negative ADX facing up. It is only telling you that there is pressure for sell, that there is going to be more momentum for price to come down. So that is what it implies. Exactly. It is only when it's facing down, then it's telling you that pressure is for up. But when it's facing up, that is the minus ADS. When it's facing up, approaching level 25, it's telling you that there's pressure for sell. Exactly, guys. Exactly. So in this case, we want to see our moving average crossing the MACD in the window 1 at level 90 and level 80. Exactly. So that is when we take sell opportunity. When you use this strategy, you definitely make money, and you'll be able to subscribe for what is it called? You'll be able to subscribe for the you'll be able to get the software I've been the millionaire software, whereby you'll be taking advanced trade for yourself. You don't need to beg anybody to take trade for you or beg for signals. No, when you have it, you do it by yourself for yourself. It doesn't matter if you are just signing up on Deriv today. No, that doesn't matter. I'm not going to be bothering you with all the whole technical analysis. You don't need all that. So these are privilege you can leverage on. Then when you start earning money, you can now start learning what it entails, what the forex market is all about. Yeah. So my strategies are very, very effective. It's only if you are failing to follow the instruction. So this is the strategy for today. Please test it. Come and share your testimony. Let me know if it was effective for you. If you are making profit with it, then come to my comment section and then give your opinion regarding the strategy. Please, if you have not subscribed, it is very important, because what makes me keep putting out strategy out every day so that you can select the one that is suitable for your trading style is because people are subscribing. So if you are watching and you have not subscribed, deem it fit to kindly hit the subscribe button, so that we'll grow this community as fast as possible. Exactly. If you want to make consistent profits, don't hesitate to get the millionaire strategy, because it will make you a consistent it will be giving you consistent profits. You'll be taking trades, and you'll be taking trades like a professional. Exactly. But if you want to scalp and you are not financially buoyant, don't worry. Keep using this mobile strategy to make money, and then when you are done, come and get the millennial strategy, so that you scale your trading level to the next one. So thanks for watching. Or either you are from Nigeria, from South Africa, everybody, I love you all, and I really appreciate your kind gesture by signing up and then subscribing to my channel. Thanks and stay safe. Peace.